Hello guys, today I'm going to discuss about GATE 2020 info. Going to bring to you. The GATE 2020 is going to conducted by Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur this year. This is going to held on February 2022. The GATE 22 online application format they are going to take. There is no offline application format. You can apply the online GATE 2022. And few announcements are in new paper in GATE 22 they introduced. Yeah, they introduced new paper that is called as a geomatics engineering GE. That code is GE. Naval architecture marine engineering course they are introduced. The paper they are introduced that is applicable for the engineering courses, naval courses, and their some important dates they are giving here. Carefully go through these important. 30th August 2021 opening date of online application portal. 24th September 2021 is the closing date of the online application format, and that is the regular period. 1st October 2021 is the closing date of the online application portal, that is extended with the late fees. And 26th August 2021 is the display the defective application for rectification. 1st November 2021 is the Monday, that is last date for the rectification of the application. And 1st November to 12th November 2021 is the last date for change of the paper category exam city with additional fees. And these are the important dates. About GATE 2021. The GATE 2022 is conducted by the IIT Kharagpur. The zonal officer IIC Bangalore, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee. These are the main branches. They are responsible to conduct the examination. The paper is set by the IIT Kharagpur. The GATE 2022 papers what are the papers they are going to give, and the syllabus there in the website they are giving. The aerospace engineering AE, and instrumentation engineering IN, and agriculture engineering AG, mathematics and aeronautical and planning new engineering, mechanical engineering, biomedical engineering, mining engineering, biotechnology, metallurgical engineering, civil engineering, naval architecture and marine engineering. New paper already told chemical engineering, petroleum engineering, the computer science and information technology, physics, chemistry, production and industrial engineering, electronics and communication, statistics, electrical engineering, textile engineering and fiber science, environmental science and engineering, engineering sciences, ecology, and these are the papers they are going to conduct the GATE examination. Electrical engineering, textile engineering, and geomatics engineering with the new paper life sciences, geology and geophysics. It contains 100 marks, and the aptitude test is 15 marks. 85 marks is for the engineering subjects. Already we discussed. The other papers is the XE sections and XS sections. These sections contain the physics, chemistry and mathematics. Who are doing and completed the MSc physics and mathematics and chemistry, they can able to write the examination of the GATE under the XE and XM papers. They are eligible to do some advanced courses in the IISc and IIT. Do want to desire, they can fulfill their dreams. Fluid mechanics, economy, biochemistry, botany, English languages, microbiology, zoology, food technology, psychology. These are the subjects they are covering under XE and XM categories. The candidate appearing one or two papers should fill the only one application form. Suppose one or two can fill the only one application form is enough for XE and XM and normal GATE exam. Now we can go to the GATE 22 information brochure also available. The GATE 22 poster is available in the newspaper. Already announcement has come. The GATE 22 newspaper advertisement. The history of the GATE is started in 1983. I wrote the examination GATE in 1999 and 2000. appeared the GATE 19 examination in instrumentation engineering. I got 21st rank all India. That's why I'm very much interested about to explain about the GATE 2022. The question papers also, previous question papers also available. From this question papers you will get almost 10% of the questions from this previous question papers. You will get all the concept. The GATE is conducted by the IIT Kharagpur. GATE and JAM office, IIT Kharagpur, West Bengal, India. The previous papers and also the exam centers. Coming to the exam centers, let's discuss about the exam centers where grade 22 is conducting. It is the zone 1, zone 2. Zone 1 is under IISc Bangalore. The IISc Bangalore comes some part of the Hyderabad and Karnataka coming under IISc Bangalore. Total 30 cities in IISc Bangalore. And zone 2 is the IIT Bombay. The IIT Bombay is most of the, it is covered in the Maharashtra, few cities in Maharashtra and Indore, the Gandhinagar, and zone 3 is the IIT Delhi. The IIT Delhi is come some part in the Ajmer and Noida, Greater Noida, and the Ghaziabad and Haryana. These are the places are coming under and Punjab. These are places are coming under GATE New Delhi IIT. And the zone 4 is the IIT Guwahati. IIT Guwahati, they are covering mainly on the eastern part, Assam, Agartala, Assam, Durgapur, they are covering. And zone 6 is IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur is mainly covered in West Bengal, Kolkata, Machilipatnam, Kakinada, Kharagpur, and Visakhapatnam, Vizianagaram. These are the centers they are covering. And zone 7 is Madras. Madras is mainly covering most of the cities in the Madras and Tamil Nadu areas they are covering, and Nellore they are covering. And GATE 22 will not be conducted any international center due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Earlier they used to conduct in international level. Nowadays they are not able to conduct due to the COVID-19, the GATE 2022. This is good news for all the who pursuing the BTech, already completed the BTech students, MSc Mathematics, MSc Chemistry, MSc Physics students also. It is good for they can show their talent in the GATE 2022 examination. The eligibility criterion and 2 paper, already eligibility criterion, completed BTech, BE BTech, they are eligible. MSc Mathematics, Chemistry, Physics, they are eligible. We can see their site iitkgp.ac.in. The examination fees is for female candidates 750 rupees, for during the extended period 1250, SC ST and physical is 750 rupees, other candidates for 1250 rupees. For the international candidates is 1500 rupees. This is the NRIs, 1500 rupees we need to pay. These are the FAQs, you can get it. Suppose if anybody interested, suppose you can comment on the comment box in my chat box. I will, if anybody be appearing for the GATE examination, these are the zonal centers addresses for the GATE 2022. IIS Bangalore, Kolkata, Kharagpur, Bombay, Roorkee, Chennai. These are the things. Please comment on the comment box and subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching my channel, Daveri Engineering Academy. Thank you.